beautiful people, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. Please let the subscribing keep going. Share, like, do whatever you need to do. I know I said 2 million. I hope I can get there, but I can't do it without you. Thank you so much for watching my last video on how to make our delicious plantains. How easy was that? If I can get you to make our simple, delicious, easy plantains, get you to make our African food, I think I've done my job. So, right now, I want you to come with me to where I get my plantains, okay? Come on.
This is Herman para Latina.
Do you like plantains?
Yes,
Why do you like plantains?
because it's good and you should try it.
Remember, you can purchase our red sauce at squareup.com. Search under the name Sinmi. Thank you so much for watching, and do stay tuned to the next video I'm gonna upload. Have a good one.